How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are looking out on can we unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So if you are also looking on if we can do that, in this video we are going to find out if we can do it. So let's just get ahead and look out on that. First of all, head over and open up a TikTok account in your device, and once you're logged in into your TikTok, you can just head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page, and here you will be finding following, followers, and likes. So if you want to unfollow everyone on your TikTok, if you're fed up of your following and you want to unfollow everyone from your TikTok, what are you gonna do? You can just go ahead and tap on the following section, and you can find all of your followings right here. So if you want to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once, unfortunately TikTok has not provided us with a direct feature right now for us to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. But instead of that, what we can do is just head over to the following section, and we can just go ahead and manually unfollow by tapping on this following option and just unfollow them. So for now, that is only the method we can apply in order to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and leave any comments if you have got any, and I will see you in the next one.